So if you have this on hand, here is your video to support all of you. Thank you so much for the love and support. And you still have like few hours of working on your beautiful press on and glue ons. Make sure you tag us. All you need to do is 10 nails, 6 nail minimum for designs, and 10 nails is maximum for designs. And you make sure, remember to tag us at Glitz Accessory and such as just tag us. And also, you make sure that you in the captions you're gonna name your beautiful set. You don't need to ship anything, you don't need to send anything at all. You just need to take a beautiful pictures and just tag us. Oh, do you want to see the flowers with I'm going to do it dream catcher for everyone. You want to see dream catcher?
Do the flower first.
Do a flower first. Oh, hey, just pot of flowers. Here, hold on. Can I get my base? Where's my base? My base here. Do you know what? If I do this, then I can do a dream catcher song. What do you think?
It's a big flower, and you can have dream catcher on top.
Right.
I like the dream catcher in the middle of the flower, swinging around.
Okay, I'm gonna do it right here. All right, everyone, I'm gonna lay this one right here, and we'll see how it turned out for us. My hands kind of have a little bit oil, so then if you are just in case like having hands like me, if you have working on the gloves, it's totally fine. But if you feel like it's really oily, you can always use this rubbers from the dual end tweezers. Give it a rub. And it's come right off. It's really cool, huh? It's come right off. And I'm just want to have the little cute background there. And now, going to use my condensed glue gels. And also, I am going to do your dream catcher because I think we're talking about that. Before I did like I placed 3 dream catcher when I'm doing live video waiting for the nails to be clear, and today's I'm gonna do one of them for you from the charms that you have it already. No wipe top coat on the top. This will the unclear condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat in the 2-step method, which is in 2 out of 3 step methods of our crystal placements. It will help to keep all the charm chains, flat back 3Ds in one place. So I'm gonna do it right here.
Bring it up a bit.
Up.
There you go.
It's really, this one is so simple, I promise everyone. I think you're really enjoying it and it's super easy to do. I think I do need like
The one now?
no, I'm good. I just need one smaller bars, the shorter one.
I thought that big one for you, did no?
A little bit longer, but let's see, maybe I can do this.
Maybe, yeah. You need like a big stone in the middle.
Yeah, I am. He's gonna run the shows, everyone. So what happened? You let the man talk?
I'll go back to whisper.
He's everyone should put him back into the whisper. He's like start talking and he will like get in our business. Sorry. Because he tried to run the shows and when we're trying to do ladies and us having so much fun here, and then you would get in to disturb our cool conversation. But you know what? Thank you, babe, for always supporting us. He's the one that keep us all the video for us. All right.
Keep it.
Hold on. What I am doing now? This is smallest size. This one, you know what? You can do any colors. You don't have to do AB like what I have. You can do any colors. It just happened that I just do AB today to matching like blings, like themes. But you can do anything. I don't know, it's like... Beats.
Alright, and for all the lazy thinking that you're missing the show, don't worry about it. We just go a little bit early tonight. So,
Yeah.
and it's going to be available later on IGTV. So if you want to come back, have some reference for a design you want to do,
Yeah.
just always be there for you.
It's gonna be on our IGTV, and also it's just I'm so excited because Sarah going to do live right after this, right, Sarah? Sarah's still there. I'm excited to see her beautiful designs. I feel so bad when I miss her because if I'm busy, like I couldn't catching her live video, and I feel so bad. But I can't excited. So with this, I don't know what you call the strings on the top. Either you're gonna do like that to look soft look, or you can do a straight one. So either ways, whatever you would like, it looks cute. This one looks busy and a little bit in the background, but I think it's good in like a more of some backgrounds. Stunning, just that simple. You get all of this in your charms collection, so you can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna cure it because I don't know if I want more. And I'm gonna start, if you let me start more, then I will start a lot more. And you can't stop me.
Don't cover the flower.
Yeah. What, should I stop here? I should. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. Because otherwise it's gonna cover everything. It's had a little bit background on it. So it doesn't matter, you can do different backgrounds. It just happened that I want to do this a dream catcher for all of you, because I think we're talking about that, and then today I said, okay, I'm gonna do this, and it's really cute with that. Just only one foil, and you can do so many different designs. So like for instance, if you have one foil collection, don't be hesitant to like create a lot of different fun thing, because there's no limits of what you can do and create with. And would love to see your beautiful works. So if you've done any work, remember to tag us so we can see your beautiful work and get opportunity to feature you. Tomorrow maybe we should do a neons. I'm so excited too. Like today I'm most doing neons, and then I see here, and then we still have this to do, but then no nails. So we'll do it tomorrow with all that. But I'm excited to see Sarah. And it's come, when you see rose gold, I think I did it. I'm gonna try to send the pictures to show you that we did, like, I placed a rose gold and then retro golds and all that sort of stuff.
All right.
So pre-season glue.
Yep, you got like a minute and a half left.
Okay.
So you're like perfectly on time for 1 hour.
Awesome. So I'm gonna squeeze this one in to make sure that I seals all of this. And if you feel scratchy, make sure you are like fill it in and blend it nicely. And with a key, it's for 60 seconds. If you have any questions regarding the products, anything, you can always email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And you can DM us. We're trying to get back to everyone as fast as possible. Special sales going on strong, and it's end tomorrow night. And remember to enter to win the press-on glue-on contest. It's gonna be so much fun. It's end tonight, I think, to submit everything and take a picture to us. You still have a few hours to work on it. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I really enjoying it tonight with everyone. And remember to use code Sarah, SARAS, today to save free shipping on $79 or more. Here is all your beautiful four nails. Look at that. How does that look?
Yeah, that works.
Good.
All right, ladies. We got like a couple of second lap.
All right. We'll see you in a little bit. I'll come right back. Hi, Lily. Hey. Thanks so much, Lily.